Hello, welcome back to my channel. At syempre, ang reaction video natin ngayon, mga boss, ay itong mukbang sa sementeryo, no Tagalog challenge daw ito. Ito yung mga bagong ano ngayon, content creator, yung mga nagmumukbang. Inspired to ni yung tawag dito. Kumbaga na inspired sila kay Boss Rino, kaya nagganto na rin sila. So hindi na natin patatagalin, titignan natin kung gaano sila kasisipag kumain. Okay, let's go.
Kuha mo camera. Why? Why? No.
Tribugo. Subscribe nyo to. Okay din tong content nila eh.
Yo, what's up mga kabugoks? Yo, for today's video, dito na naman tayo sa panibagong video. Ha? Ulit-ulit ah. Okay. Guys.
Una sa lahat po, pasalamat na kay Boss Rino.
Kasi
Pangalawang-
beses yan na kaming nire-reaction videos.
Kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi
Uunlad ba? Parang hindi tayo magbubunod.
mag-subscribe na kayo sa
Nice
YouTube
one.
guys. Lapit na mag 1K.
So guys, ito yung YouTube namin.
Ayan, subscribe
Ito na muna
nyo.
yung TikTok.
Mga TikTok namin guys. Facebook.
So go.
Pinakabahan tong
to
isang
street.
to ah.
Kasi alam kami sa street, nandito kami sa Cement Tower. So yun.
Baseball, kikyam, banat,
Game.
Grabe
1, 2,
naman
3,
yun.
go. Shiro.
banat.
Bayad din ba ng chop Japanese oh?
Uy! Sinasabi ko.
Putak tigas. Putak tigas. Putak tigas. Ipis pa. Pinabala ko doon na malala.
Unang kagat, ipis agad.
Oo nga, punta ba dito? Kinukwento pa rin pagiging Japanese ko ya. I'm a Japanese boy. When I think 5 years old, I'm...
Wow.
Ay!
English, dali sa 1, 2, 3, go. Yes.
Ay! Ito. English edition lang to.
Yes.
Game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo, what's up mga bugo? So we are eating fishbowl and kikyam and shitball.
Like street foods.
Street foods.
of our
Yes.
academic skill year.
Yes. Yes. This is
Ang galing ah. Yung una ko tong napanood ng mga to, parang first time na ata nila tawag dito, magmukbang sa sementeryo. Tapos, grabe yung takbuhan nila dun time na yun. Grabe. Konting lang, pero siguro ngayon parang na-overcome na nila yung takot nila. Kasi medyo okay na sila eh.
what is this?
Kikiam. Ay, fish balls. And what is this?
Kikyam nila.
Uy, that's not English, ha? Where is yours?
Squid ball.
This squid balls?
Squid ball.
Yeah.
Squid balls. This balls.
If the food is one, you called one.
Yes.
But if
Many.
food is so many, it's called foods.
Yeah.
Letter S in the dulo.
I don't know that.
Yes.
And
I'm an academic scholar.
Wow.
the
Since
sauce is very
yummy.
delicious. Yes.
I take
You're
that.
like Manny Pacquiao.
No.
No.
I'm
You're handsome guy.
Yes. You like some? I think Kaunggoy TV, you like John Joseph. Yes. John Joseph, shout out to you, no?
Alright.
Just follow guys. Kaunggoy TV. Yeah.
So guys, do you agree, guys, that terrorists look like Harry Roque?
You're so bad, huh?
Ito,
You're so
maganda
bad,
session,
bro.
guys.
Harry Roque is so good.
Yes.
It's so windy,
Oh my God! I think this
Inabot pa ata
squid
sila ng
balls.
boss.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Tomorrow.
No. We'll finish this food before we go to the second mode. Huh? Before we go.
Before I let you go.
So crispy. Oh my God. I don't feel like this before.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, you're so hot in English, ah?
Yeah.
Mother,
Mother, father. Like your mother, father. You should call mother, father. What's that? I don't like air now.
Ang kawiwi mo.
What? What did you say?
What did you say? You're human. Yeah, you're human.
Pustahan tayo itong nakaitim na may yung may headband dito na tatakot na to eh. Ganyan talaga, parang kailangan mong anuin yung sarili mo. Kumbaga lilibangin mo yung sarili mo para hindi ka tabla ng takot.
Oh my God. Ooh. That's so very like
It's
cold. It's very cold.
It's like someone hug us.
No, you only.
Only kurang.
Only us.
You no.
Us.
She only. Him only.
Yeah.
Hi, basta you only.
Him only.
Yes.
The squid ball, it's raw. It's not cooked, not yet.
No, that's my cook hair.
Oh my God.
That's my
You're
cook.
bastos, ha? Your mouth.
No.
Your mouth is.
Oh, it's not bastos. It's
Bastos. It's bad.
it's not appropriate.
Ayun. Appropriate. Yeah.
Appetizer? No, yeah, appetizer food.
What did you say? Appetizer? By the way, before we eat,
We're eating right now.
Hindi, no.
Mother, ha?
I just want to say thank you for everyone who is supporting with us. Supporting us. Supporting us.
And
This
guys,
one, us?
No, supporting us.
And guys, thank you for the support.
Yes.
Since day one, guys, thank you
Thank you for
for
following us.
thank you for
We'll
reaching.
not forget you.
Oh,
yeah.
We'll not
My-
forget you guys.
My friends,
also,
day ones. Yeah, we don't forget that because if we small and big,
yes. And
You get-
we're
okay.
almost 1K.
yeah, views. 1K subscriber in
Yes.
YouTube channel. Kaya, and please supporting us.
Yes.
And
Please support us, guys, and we will make some very good content for you
great.
guys.
Yes. You make me happy, ha? You are make happy.
We will make you happy.
Yes. You're correct. You're
Yes.
correct. Yeah. I forgot it kasi.
Mother, father.
No.
Tatakot itong isang to.
No, I'm passing food.
Pag ito biglang may
Ay,
kumalustos
gagawin yun.
dito, pustahan, takbuhan.
Yung bulala.
Uy, English.
There's someone bulala. There's
Astronaut. Ayun, nature.
moon. Saturn.
Nature.
Jupiter. Ha?
Nature you call that. Don't add.
Nature garden.
No.
F
F3.
Tokinis na. Tokinito.
Huh? Powerpuff Girls? Ano that? Ay, English only,
I didn't
English.
understand you, bro.
Yeah.
Mother, father.
I'm from US, by the way, and
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
I'm from India.
I'm from Brazil.
Ooh, what's Brazil? I don't happy. Let's
Rino datingan ng
Princess.
mga edit
9:25. 9:25
finish
p.m.
this food. Oh my God. Very long, huh? By the way,
Oh, what?
wala pa. Ay,
What?
don't want.
Mother, father? Oh, by the way, what are you
By
saying?
the way, in my school, since I'm in kindergarten, I was good in English, best in science, best in math, like something like that. Yeah. Actually, since elementary, since kindergarten to high school, I'm one in class. I just know malaki myself, not off myself. I just
About you, your
academic stud.
Yeah.
Studs pala.
He's boxing right now, guys.
Oh, boxer. Uy. Yo. You look so good, manifaki, ha? Ikaw naman. Ganito ka. Ganito ka. Stop.
Ano nilalagay ko
No. I just sent it to you later. Oh my god. Guys, we don't badge others. We don't bully. We
Yeah.
just
having some
nice
fun to enjoy with you.
Yes. Some entertainment thing for.
Just to ano.
Parang may sumigaw dito.
Don't talk later. You don't go into the story. So by the way, guys, let's talk about to our country. It's very sad for me because so many corrupt in this
Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah, so bad.
And
yeah,
it's so sad. Oh, what you?
What part of Philippines are you do you think it's
Very, for me is Boracay.
Boracay?
What-
Yeah.
What can you?
What the?
Can you?
Your mouth is very some water.
Can you try again the question, please?
Yes.
Okay, what what one thing that you're like about the Philippines?
For me, I will answer first. For me, it's the Filippo. Filippo because people in this Philippines. Just finish my speech.
Okay.
Because Filipinos people is very welcome. Welcome to our halimbawa sa English speaking.
Example?
Sa mga dayuhan.
For Japan.
Yeah.
Foreign.
Foreigners. Yeah. Foreign nation. Yeah. That's like something like that.
About you in your country.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you're so mali.
Racist. Really racist.
Yes.
No, that's not racist.
You're so fucking yuck. I don't mura because
Bad words.
I don't say bad words. Yeah. I'm so good. I know in myself. Okay. You answer and don't talk about later that. What's that? Wala? Let's finish this and we are going to
So, Mr. Innocent is your couple, madam other.
We're growing now. We are going 10 years.
Wow!
Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah.
We're celebrating. Basta sineselebrate namin kada
What?
buwan.
Anniversary.
No. What you call anniversary. My anniversary with her. With you. With me.
With
With you.
With him.
January 1.
I know why is the number one.
Why?
Happy New Year, everyone.
Hey!
You.
Happy New Year!
Nice thinking. You think of that?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Kamo. Happy birthday everyone, kamo.
Happy birthday, everyone.
No, ganito ka. No, like this. Happy birthday, Raker. Happy birthday, Kerax.
Huh?
Happy birthday, Kerax. We love you.
Happy birthday, General. We love you.
Yeah. Nice.
Good job.
Oh, no, you will see later.
Gusto ka rin.
No.
No.
You're so cool. You're cool.
Emperor na?
Cool? You're mahirap. Something like that, motherfuckers. You like this or not?
I'm thirsty already. I will choke me.
Or kuha mo camera?
Yeah, my
Why? Why? No. Oo.
Dito lang ako, nako.
Ano ba? Talaga ako natin card. Where? Where?
Ano ba? Di ba tapusin yun?
Oo, tapusin natin. Uy! Uy! Gusto daw ako, ha? Gusto daw ako, ha? Uy! Uy, hindi ko mababis na! Buset! So guys, we are not, we scared so much. Someone with us.
Someone screamed in my side. I said someone
Hearing, ha? Ah, you like that, like that.
scream. I don't know if the camera
Show it. Ay, just here.
here.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry guys to
We are run, go away.
yes.
But we promise to you guys we'll back stronger.
Yes.
Mentally and physically. What are you laughing? What are you laughing?
Ayun. Ay, support nyo tong ano, yung mga vlogger na to, yung mga batang vlogger na to. Mm. Okay din ang mga ano nito, mga content nila, lalo na ang una, yung pinakauna nila na talaga naman na makikita mo yung takot sa kanila eh. Pero yun, maraming salamat. Pero syempre, supportahan nyo rin yung channel ko mga boss. Yun. So, kita-kits sa mga susunod. Thank you.